Welcome to today's video where we're diving into a common coding problem that many developers encounter. The issue at hand involves the need to set an enum value through code, but with the added complexity of potentially dealing with nullable enum types. Now, tackling this kind of problem could be a bit tricky, but fret not, as we got a solution lined up just for you. Let's take a closer look at the solution to our problem. In order to effectively set the enum value, we first need to determine the underlying type of the enum. This involves checking if the enum is nullable and obtaining the appropriate enum type accordingly. Once we have the enum type sorted out, we can then proceed to set the desired enum value to the target object. And voila, with a bit of coding finesse using enum.toObject, we've successfully addressed the issue at hand. In summary, we've covered a nifty little solution to a common problem faced by developers when working with enums and nullable types. By understanding the nuances of enum types and leveraging enum.toObject, we've effectively managed to set the enum value with ease. I hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any coding-related jokes you might have. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!